Harley-Davidson is ushering in a new era in the world of three-wheeled motorcycles with the 2026 Street Glide 3 Limited, a model that officially replaces the Tri-Glide Ultra. This trike is designed as a long-distance touring vehicle that combines maximum comfort, modern technology, and the iconic style of Harley-Davidson. Visually, the Street Glide 3 Limited looks bold with a modern batwing fairing that is now combined with the latest lower fairing complete with integrated fog lights. The rear features a new generation Grand Tour-Pak that is integrated with the passenger backrest, providing large storage capacity and extra comfort for long journeys. Comfort is the main focus. The two-passenger seat features a new, more ergonomic design with dual-zone heating, ensuring a comfortable riding position for both rider and passenger. Additional features include heated hand grips, an aluminum cast passenger grab rail, and adjustable highway footrests. Harley-Davidson also includes a removable and adjustable heel shifter, offering flexibility to suit riding style. For entertainment, the Street Glide 3 Limited is equipped with four 6.5-inch speakers, 2 in the front fairing and 2 in the Tour-Pak, powered by a 200-watt 4-channel amplifier, ensuring optimal audio quality while touring. This model is offered at a starting price of $39,199. At the top of the trike line is the Cvo Street Glide 3 Limited, the most luxurious and exclusive version. Based on the Street Glide 3 Limited, the Cvo variant gets significant upgrades, especially in the engine and premium features. The Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 engine is the mainstay, offering more powerful and smoother performance for long-distance travel. Luxury is evident in the Alcantara EXO covered seat, heated passenger backrest, and removable rider backrest. Safety and practicality are enhanced through an electronic key with remote for the Tour-Pak and luggage, plus a premium luggage rack. A top-of-the-line Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 6-speaker audio system completes the riding experience. As an exclusive package, the Cvo Street Glide 3 Limited also includes a PakTalk Edge wireless headset, a Cvo-specific cover, a luggage liner, and a luggage door organizer. The top-of-the-line variant starts at $54,999, solidifying its position as the most luxurious touring trike in the 2026 Harley-Davidson lineup.